What is up, everyone? So welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe down below. So today's video, I'm going to be replacing some fuses, as you guys see here. Got these, and then I'll show those later. But also the AC resistor for the blower fan right here, because these two bad boys started to melt on my truck. Take a look at this. That's craziness. And then up there. So I ordered it off Amazon. I'll tell you what happened. But, well, first of all, I don't know how it burnt, but I ordered this off Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. So on 4th of July, we took my truck to my parents' house for 4th of July because we don't want fireworks to damage our Toyota Grand Highlander over there. So my wife says, your car smells like smoke. And I said, no, it doesn't. It's probably just the 4th of July smoke in the air. Fast forward to 2 days later, after the 4th, which was 2 days from now, I guess, and my AC went out. So the car was on, and nothing was blowing. So I went to the forums, I went on Reddit. They said, oh, check the fan belt. It was not that. Check the fuses. It was not that. And they said, oh, but maybe your fan blower just seized up and froze. So I took off this bottom piece right here, 4 screws. And then I noticed this. So it's the resistor. Bought a brand new one. So we're going to set the camera up, replace that. Got my heat gun, got my sleeves to redo that. So here we go. Let's get to it. All right, before we do anything, I didn't know the camera wasn't recording after I put the camera down. So turn off the battery first. I snipped this right now. I left the colors there so I know which one it goes to, the letters. As you can see, and there's letters. On here, there is no letters, but I'm gonna do it the same way as it goes into the prong set. For that, I have a 7/32 ratchet size. Let's take it off. Do I need an extension for that? No, it's right here. I got the extension. It feels like it's been touched before. Like taken off. So on Reddit, everyone was saying to also replace the blower, but that's what caused the short. But the blower was blowing fine, and that happened. Should I wet? So how does this come out? Pull this orange thingy or what? Oh, right there. Push that down and pull it out. Do I need a longer screwdriver? There we go. So here is the blower. It's not seized, but here is the old resistor and the new resistor. says do not repair, do not repair. Okay. Let me just plug this up since this won't be that hard. But inside here, it doesn't look like it's burnt. So I should clean it, but I'm just gonna throw it in and see. So let me throw this back up in there. I'll put that bad boy back in there. There is a right and wrong way to put that in. So this goes straight up like that. And then I'll cut these. I'm gonna leave them long. Let's get that out of the way. And then I'll figure out which one's to what. All right, so I started the first two. Pretty much just gonna go in order of the letters. First, I'm gonna put the heat sleeve on, and then I'm gonna mesh the wires together and then electrical tape them together. After that, I'm gonna slide up the heat sleeve, and then I'm gonna get my heat gun, heat it up, and I'm gonna do it to every single one in order of the letters corresponding to the cords that are coming down. It's pretty much easy. Just push the wires together, and then there you go. Right here, I'm electrical taping all the wires together. As you see, and we give it a good squeeze. Okay, that's done. So let's go do the fuses. All right, so we're gonna take off this panel, and then we are gonna change out. So the panel I took off comes with this. Here's that. And we have this brand new pack I bought. So we'll compare those two fuses. So let's see. So it's not focusing in. New and used. Okay. Let's put you back in. Boom. You're right there. Old, new. I'm gonna put that one in right there. The 30 amp. There we go. Those are all replaced. I also did the lock and unlock. I bought those just in case because I wonder if it'll like fix the sluggishness of the unlocking it. But no other TPM. Anything to do with the AC. No. That's the inside one. Let me put that back. And then inside the engine bay. I don't see, I just see the bottom two and then the 40. Since I have this open, that's the only one I see on this box. I'll take a picture of this so you guys can see any more HVAC related ones. So no, none right there. So we'll go to the engine bay. Then we'll come back over here. Let's see. Let's go back over here. So we have an AC compressor right here. We have a blower motor up top. And then we have the AC compressor on right here also. So let me do the 10 first. I pulled that one right here, and we're gonna put the new 10 in. So put the old 10 right there, new 10 in, and we're gonna pull that 40 out and this one out. All right, so old, new, not that bad, but that's the AC comp. So I'm gonna replace that one right now. I took out this one to get to this one, so that one's on the side. So replace that bad boy, and then the 40's next. All right, so I replaced the 40 amp. So that's good now. So I can put the cover back on. All right, battery is connected. This will be my first time starting it. Okay, everything's off. I'll wait till the car goes on. Wait a second. It's windy outside, so I can't hear. It's working. Air's coming through. Okay. Let me turn the AC on. There's no fire. Dust. AC works perfect. Oh my god, I fixed it. You guys, I'm so happy. So I'm gonna put the circulation on. It is blowing. No lie, it is blowing the best it's ever been. It's cold, super cold already. So changing that out, the resistor, not the blower motor. Yep, still works. Changing out the resistor and every single one of that's related to the HVAC system, the fuses, everything works. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.